The first one is mechanoreceptor. Mechanoreceptor is a receptor that play in a detect playing role in detect mechanical force like vibration and deep pressure. And then mechanoreceptor is divided into 5 types. The first one is passive corpuscle. Passive corpuscle is a skip receptor that playing role in pressure. And also vibrations too. And the next one is Meissner corpuscle. The Meissner corpuscle is playing role in detect the light touch and then something movement across the skin. Corpuscle. These receptors previously regarded as a photoreceptor in our skin. And then purples this. This receptor is playing role in a sustained light pouch and then pressure too. As the name thermal, what is thermal? Thermoreceptor is a receptor that plays a role in the temperature change. And the thermoreceptor is divided into 2 types. The first one is Holt receptor. The Holt receptor can be sensitive when the temperature in environment is below 35 degrees Celsius and is located in our superficial dermis. Then the second one, there is Holt receptor. The Holt receptor can be sensitive when the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius and it's located in our dermis. Okay, we move to the other receptor. The other receptor is nociceptor. Nociceptors is playing role in a painful sensation like injury and then tissue damage. Above our body movement like muscle, joints, and bones.